thing that's over here.
Let's see. Where do you think we're going?
I don't remember the name of it. It's the...
You think you were going to the water?
It's called... You know what it's called. It's like the show Wipeout, but... They don't, like, smack you around, but it's like... It's like a jungle gym, but water park. That's the only thing that's over here.
Okay.
Unless...
Okay, pretty gang, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Check the description box for all my coupon codes, my Amazon storefront link, subscribe, notifications on, all of that good stuff. So we decided to go ahead and do our Valentine's anniversary plans on Monday, okay? And I tried to surprise him like, ooh, this is where we're gonna go. The GPS ended up taking us a completely different route, but he actually used to drive this route when he used to go to work, okay? And this is basically the sign. Once he saw the sign, he really thought we was going to Wake Island, but then he realized, no, we're not. And he guessed that we were going to Topgolf. And that's exactly where we went, because you hadn't gone before.
Nope.
No, he hadn't gone. So I was like, okay, this is going to be perfect. So we went around like 3 o'clock. There was literally nobody there. And honestly, we had a really, really good time. I was trying to think of like little stuff that we could do, something that I could surprise him with. That was like an activity rather than just dinner, because I feel like we always go to dinner. And of course I got me a little dranky drink. Let me tell you, this good, okay?
Looks like the nails you do.
So I went first.
Oh, be careful.
And honestly, I did not do a good job. As you can see, I actually hit the machine. So I was like, okay, let me go again, okay? And it didn't really go so well. I'm gonna be honest. For me, it didn't really go too well. Huh?
I just let him see. You gotta actually hit the ball.
And
you see the ball's still there.
And he thought it would be funny to zoom in and
Okay.
capture like how much I sucked. Okay.
Nice shoes.
You're not talking loud enough for them to hear. And here is my boo. You guys have never seen him before. This is what he looks like. Fine, sexy, handsome. Okay, that man. And honestly, he was acting like he was going to be way better than me, and he was not really no better than me. Okay. You can see he already missed.
No, I was practicing my
That's
swing.
what you can say.
Don't do that.
Let me tell you, you see those sand pits? You see the gate? His favorite places. Okay? His favorite places.
This is my first time doing this. I did really well.
Okay.
Pretty face.
But yeah, you see why I was laughing? Because he kept hitting it into the sand pits almost every single time. He could hit far. But the first round, he did beat me.
Wasn't doing better than her, but look at the...
Yeah, because of those double multipliers. So then we decided, let's play another round, right? We were waiting for our food. This one, I think you're supposed to go far, and you're trying to go as far as hitting those white flags. And honestly, he did not do well at that. I got the least negative points because we definitely did not get... Okay. Stop.
There goes the ball.
Okay, well, I tried. But see, that was a good one. So basically, I got a bunch of negative points. So then I was like, okay, then help me. And I don't think the help really helped. Did it? Well, he was trying.
I was trying to give you instructions.
Yeah, well, clearly he was trying. Okay, so the thing is, he was trying to give me, like, bend your knees. And he was really just dragging me all over the place. I was trying to keep
you
it.
had no balance.
No, it's because he was and I felt like a paraplegic because my legs just was trying to crumble and stuff. So I did tell him, back the hell up, because he was so nervous that I was going to hit him. But clearly, yeah, it hit the machine again. That's why I made that face, because the help didn't help at all. But I did try. So we kind of just moved on. Our food came. Let me tell you, the food was really, really good.
Smacks.
It's like so good. I got the little wrap. He got the barbecue burger. And I really wanted to go. I want to go back again just so I could see this.
One of the best burgers I've ever
Not
had.
even gonna lie. It's amazing. The fact that it has barbecue sauce and the little secret Thousand Island sauce.
It was hitting.
Amazing. And then I got some little mac and cheese bites, which were pretty good as well. But I want to go back really badly. And not even to play golf. I just want to eat dinner there. You know what I'm saying? So, but I honestly, you guys could see how much we enjoyed it because it was delicious. Like,
I don't feel like those angles earlier were flattering, but this one is.
Of you?
Yeah, this is a flattering game.
I mean, I guess eating the burger.
You guys don't know this though. She thinks I'm like really ugly with my long hair.
Stop! I don't. I never said that. Stop listening.
Like,
to
she eating, y'all. Ooh,
Stop. Okay.
Hers was fresh and it was good, but I'm sorry, my burger was better.
His did taste better, but mine was really fresh.
Look at her happy.
I know. Yeah. So we always do that. We get different things. We swap. And then macaroni and cheese bites was bomb. I've been here before. I came with my homegirl last time, and that's how I found out the food was good. Now, nobody in Sac, I mean, like, people in Sac, they don't know that the food is so good here.
You're so happy you're eating.
No, I was laughing because he went back to go hit some more of the golf balls, and it just wasn't working. Like, I don't know. He was making
I did well.
I don't know, but I was laughing.
One I hit right in the center of the white one.
Okay, well, he did. That is true. So then we realized before we went, like, oh, there's little games downstairs. And of course, we've seen the little hoop machine, the basketball.
You already know what happened.
And I'm not gonna lie, every time we go to the arcade.
You already know what happened.
So.
Big flame. Can't miss. Is that
you
Steph?
Missed right there.
Is that Steph Curry?
You did miss. You missed twice already. 3 times. Okay, so you see me balling it up, hooping or whatever, period. So. Okay, because I didn't get that good of a store. And then we went by to the mall on the way home. And honestly, this was just like a really nice little date. We pretty much just went to the mall. And that's us. Okay, very cute. And then we had a little movie night. We watched what did we watch? Oh, hold on. Before these Flaming Hot Munchies. Yeah.
She tried to trick me.
The pretzels
ain't
spicy.
Stuff.
So of course we went ahead and did a little Netflix. And we decided on The School of Good versus Evil, which is actually a good movie.
Yeah.
All right. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.
And she's the greatest nail tech.